Now to day 3 of jury selection in the DUI manslaughter trial of polo mogul John Goodman.
Today, more questioning in the bid to seat 6 jurors plus 2 alternates. News Channel 5's Jay Kashmir is leading our team coverage. He joins us live from outside the Palm Beach County Courthouse with the latest on what happened in court today. Jay?
Michael Kelly, we're just about 30 minutes away from a jury being seated in this case. 6 men or women and 2 alternates in this case. Both sides met again at the top of 5 o'clock in what could be a very, very crucial hour. We're down to the 11th hour right now. A big day of critical, intense questioning by this jury here. Prosecution and defense looking for different characteristics among all of these potential jurors. Firefighters, nurses, engineers, just a different array of people across Palm Beach County coming in here. A lot of issues coming up today. Issues like sudden acceleration of a car, issues like a car malfunction, issues like brain injuries, concussions, amnesia, all of these issues, all of these topics coming up, and a very big indicator of what could come in testimony next week. We are down to the wire right now. As I mentioned, News Channel 5's Alex Sands joins me live from the other side of the Palm Beach County Courthouse with more on this very intense day of questioning and what jurors were asked about. Alex.
You talk to people inside, Jay, and they say this process took much longer than anyone here thought it could have. And so today brought perhaps what was the most intense day of questioning.
Exposed to the media.
3 days on, worries over pretrial news coverage continued.
One thing has to be readily apparent, unless they cover their eyes and muff their ears, is that there is a circus atmosphere surrounding this trial outside the courtroom.
Denying a request by John Goodman's defense team, Judge Jeffrey Colbath told attorneys potential jurors would be screened as a group, not one by one. And so began hours of questions.
City? Line of work? Married? Kids? Litigation? Can you be fair? Great, thank you much.
38 potential jurors were narrowed from more than 100 called in. At the core of today's questions, who are they? Can they be fair?
Now, is anyone going to give Mr. Goodman an unfair trial because he has money? Here's the other elephant in the room. This is Roy Black. Who is that? Okay. Well, Roy Black is an attorney. Okay. Do you feel that having had alcoholic parents and having an uncle who is alcoholic, do you think that you have a distaste for people who drink alcohol, who choose to drink alcohol, that you think would affect your ability to sit in this case?
Among the 38 were nurses, a teacher, an accountant. Attorneys dug deep.
Has anyone here in the panel ever been a victim of a crime? Someone stole your car by towing it out? That's unusual. Let me tell you right off, being a juror, it's work. It's duty. It's not like television where we can wrap it all up in an hour and every single question you have will be answered by instant replay.
And on it went. Among the things the defense team late today quizzed jurors on: can a car malfunction while you're driving? Does drinking help ease pain? All inside, Jane, to possible defenses we'll hear here in the coming days.
Alex Sands on the other side of the courthouse here. Some major topics coming up today: concussion, brain injuries, as Alex mentioned, those car malfunctions, all indicators of what we could see when testimony opens up, presumably on Tuesday. Coming up, our legal analyst, Michelle Suskauer, will break down this case, specifically all of these topics that are preludes to what we could see in this trial coming up in just a few minutes. Back to you.
Jay,